Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm just going to give you some course updates, go over some things that I'm working on, some things that I have been working on, and get you caught up to speed with what's going on with the channel. So first things first, I've been working on a new devsprout.io website. We were having some problems with the WordPress site, so I switched to a different platform. If you were taking my Ajax course previously on the original devsprout.io website, then you should have gotten a password reset link emailed to you. If you didn't, go ahead and leave a comment here, or better yet, email me at devsproutinfo@gmail.com and I'll make sure that I get you set up with that. Okay, so here it is right here, www.devsprout.io, and if you scroll down, you can see we've got two courses currently set up here. The pre-existing jQuery Ajax course, which some of you may have. Before it was being sold for $10, but now with the release of the new platform, we've got it for a limited time at $5. So just a quick preview of this course. And you can see we've got two previews here. This is just the introduction and setup. This is stuff that you may have already seen on YouTube. If you haven't seen it already, go ahead and check it out. And then of course, if you spend the $5, then you can get access to the rest of the course, which is a whole bunch of video lectures and then some bonus content at the end. So if you're interested in learning Ajax, go ahead and check out what we've got going on here. Again, it's $5 and it's at devsprout.io. Going back here, I've got another course that I'm in the process of making. It's Ruby Basics. So if you click on View Course where it says Coming Soon, you can see that if you enter your email here, then you can get updated whenever the course is eventually released. This course is probably going to be like $1 for the first couple of days of the release, and then, or probably what I'll do is I'll make it $1 for anybody that signs up via this link right here, and then for everyone else it'll be $5, and then eventually it'll go up to its regular price, which will probably be around $10 or $15. So if you're interested in learning about the basics of the Ruby programming language, then go ahead and check out this page here, enter in your email, and you'll get updates whenever that course gets released. So as you can see, I'm trying to get this DevSprout website off of the ground and see if I can get as many useful courses as I can set up here. So I need your help with that. If you can do me a favor and go over to this survey, which I'm going to link down below in the description of this video. It's just a 1-question survey with a couple different course topics here. And basically what I'm trying to do is figure out what I should teach for my next course after I'm done creating this Ruby course, which I should be done with very soon. So if you go here, you just enter your email and then tell me which course you would prefer for my next course. And all these courses are pretty simple. They're going to be short courses that just teach you one particular topic and do it as efficiently as possible. So they're not supposed to break the bank. They'll probably be like $1 for people that sign up beforehand with their email addresses, and then whenever it gets released, it'll be $5 for a limited time, similar to what I was talking about with the Ruby course. And then over time, after we've made the initial launch, then I'll go ahead and up the price to like $10. So this is the kind of stuff that helps me be able to make these YouTube videos. If you support me with my other courses, I would really appreciate it. Again, this is what allows me to take the free time I have to go ahead and produce free content like the videos I have on this channel. So that's it for now. I won't take up any more of your time. Just remember, this link is in the description. And if you have time, check out devsprout.io to see the existing courses that I have here. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.